Hi friends, welcome to my channels. I just want to say thank you so much. I do now get a copyright matching tool, which is really great. So I want to show you how it works today. So you go to your tab and you see copyright, and it's gonna pop up all these videos that have been copied by someone. So someone has already copied my video 100% from my original content. So if you check mark, it's going to give you 3 options to choose from, what you can do. The archive means you don't do anything, you just put in archive. Second one, it's very strong, which is request removal. This has a 2 option. You can request right away to remove, or you can give them 7 days to remove from their channel. And there's a form, you fill out form and submit the form. Third option is to contact the channel, and by putting your email, and automated generated email is created for you, and basically just letting them know that you know that they have copied your videos, and you can see they have copied my 100% video. Thank you so much for watching.